y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dominique and I am a vegan chef turning plant-based dreams into a delicious reality, one recipe at a time. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today we're heading over to Target to pick up Auntie Tab's newest collection. And y'all, it took me about 2 or 3 Targets to go to for this, but nonetheless, I got everything on my list. I didn't get everything she has, but I got everything I wanted to get, and I'm excited to review it with you. And I have a special someone that will be reviewing it with me as well. I paid for this with all of my own money. None of it is sponsored, so I will be giving my honest opinion. I will not be seasoning it. I will be tasting it as is, just to give you my honest, raw, unfiltered opinion, and none of this is open. So let's see what we will be reviewing today. I am so upset because I could not find the burgers because I just, all of the Targets were sold out, y'all. This was very hard to find, but I will get it in the restock. But I did get the vegan plant-based sausage with mushrooms. I am a mushroom fanatic. Lion's mane, oyster mushroom, shiitake, portobello. I love mushrooms. So I'm super excited for this. I'm interested to see what the flavor is gonna taste like because it's made with pea protein. Pea protein for me is like a hit or miss, so we'll see. You ready?
Yeah.
So I have my boyfriend here who is not a vegan. So he's gonna be reviewing this collection as well. And I'm a vegan, so I'll be giving you the perspective from a vegan palate because I'm super used to eating vegan food and I love vegan food. Do you like vegan food?
I actually do like vegan food. It actually is pretty good sometimes.
Okay, so we have our plates. And hopefully my camera's focusing. We're working it out, but we have the ravioli, the sausages, some bread for the cream cheese, and then we have the chili and stuff over here as well. So we're gonna start with the cream cheese first, the garlic cream cheese. I have a piece of croissant bread that's vegan right here. So
Cheers.
I like that.
I like that.
It's very garlicky. Tastes it by itself without the bread.
I really like that.
I got dental work done today, so I'm gonna do my best to try this. Well, to bite it, because my bite's off.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that.
Really garlic.
I think this will go good in my vegan mac and cheese. You know how I use cream cheese?
Yeah, I like that.
I like that one.
Oh, let's use this.
We're starting off good. Okay, next we're doing the caramelized, I just spit all in the food, but the caramelized onion.
You said it online too.
It's our food.
Hey, come on.
We kiss, it's okay.
They don't know that.
Well, honey, I hate for them to know we do way more things than
Oh
kiss.
my gosh.
So we're doing the, okay, so hold on, because we are recording YouTube. We're doing the caramelized onion, that's what we're trying next, so cheers.
Cheers. That one's better.
I like that.
That one to me is better.
It tastes like onion and chives cream cheese.
Yes. That one to me, that one's my #1 right now.
I really like that. She 2 for 2 on the cream cheese.
Oh yeah, 2 for 2.
2 for 2 on the cream cheese now. Won't he do it? So now we're gonna start with the vegan strawberry, or we're gonna try the vegan strawberry cream cheese next. Strawberries, one of your favorites.
Strawberries is one of my favorites. Cheers.
Oh. Oh, that's my favorite.
That would really go good on bagels. That strawberry is so strong on that.
The cream cheeses are a hit.
It really does taste close to like
That's
how the
good.
cream cheese is.
So let's try the chili. You can leave that, babe. We'll just share the spoon. It's okay. I'm gonna try it first.
What's in this? It looks like lentils.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
It's good.
Chickpeas, I'm sorry.
I would like a pinch of salt, but it's good. I'll let you taste. That's good.
That's good.
For like
I
a
really like
store-bought chili,
Yeah, this
that's really good.
oh, have you ever had the chili from
Wendy's?
Wendy's?
Chili
Yes.
from Wendy's. We
Chili's
hit.
from
That's-
Wendy's. That's yes.
When my non-vegan days, that chili from Wendy's used to hit.
My mom gets this every winter, so
That's good. I think your mom would like that. I think it's low calorie too. I don't know,
That's
but it's
really
good.
That's a really good chili.
I like that. So this is a vegan butternut squash bisque. It still looks like it's very hot. So that chili is good.
No, yeah, that chili. I want to refresh my palate real quick.
Oh shit, this is good. I think this is good. I don't know why I was expecting, because packaged food ain't really that good.
Right. Like I'm nervous about.
I like the butternut squash bisque. I like that I think that would go well with the ravioli.
I am nervous about this pasta salad though.
Yeah, I don't like pasta salad that much, but we'll see. It's different. I like that.
I like that.
Especially during the winter. That's good.
That squash.
That butternut squash bisque is good.
Yeah.
You can taste the garlic, the onion. That's good.
I think I want a pinch of salt in there. I think I want a pinch of salt in
there. But I think she did good for
creating
for everyone. People that
don't like salty
like
foods.
seasoned food. But
which one are you trying, or are they both the same?
This is the jalapeno.
Okay.
The one with the green stuff. It looks like you're trying the mushroom. That's the jalapeno.
Okay. I'm gonna try jalapeno.
Okay.
Right with you.
Cheers. I like it. Salty, spicy. Not really spicy. I like it.
I love it. It reminds me. I don't want to keep comparing it to Wendy's.
It's okay.
The Wendy's beef, if you add jalapeno, they have a hot habanero sauce on it. It'll taste just like that.
I like that. I'm not a fan of pea protein, so I like it. I like that. I think that would be good. I thought it would be a little meatier.
Yeah,
like the broth, like the Beyond broth, but I think the flavor is phenomenal. And I mean, it's not spicy, but you can feel the little kick.
You can feel the kick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
That's my palate. I like it. Let's try the mushroom.
Now this is just pure mushroom or garlic mushroom. What kind of mushroom are we?
It just says sausage with mushroom.
Sausage with mushroom. Okay.
I like that better.
I like that better.
It's more flavorful.
do wish it is flavorful. I do wish it was more meaty.
It just like bacon.
I wish it was just a little more meaty. That would be perfect off the top.
I like it.
That one's good. I like it.
I would eat that one like a bratwurst with like some sausage and peppers.
I can see that being really good.
All right, so we're gonna try the sweet pea basil, I think it's called, ravioli. It's been sitting, so it's a little cold, but we're gonna try it. It's good. It's flavorful. It needs a sauce.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
It needs something with pretty good.
It's good, but not my favorite.
Yeah, not my favorite, but pretty good.
Okay. Now we could try the vegan cilantro lime aioli spread. Perfect for adding to sandwiches, bowls, or roasted vegetables. We have none, so we're just gonna eat it from the cap. Okay, with a fork. Just see how it tastes. Taste it.
Ooh.
Mayo.
Ranch mayo.
Yeah, like ranch mayo. Yeah.
Ranch
mayo. Good. That's why I was like,
okay, Tabitha. I might take the spot right there.
And it's tart. I know you like that, like.
That might be number one for me.
On that vegan steak sandwich I made. Oh, you didn't get to try that.
No, you know what it be on a grinder sandwich.
Oh, that would be good. That would be good.
Yeah, I gotta have that one with a grinder.
This is good. So we like this. This went up on the roof.
For sure.
That's really good.
I didn't think anything was gonna top that cream
like
cheese.
That. This is a vegan truffle garlic spread.
Okay. Truffle garlic?
I think I like the smell. Ooh. This needs to go in a sandwich.
This could be like, you know how they have their own secret sauce, like McDonald's sauce? Or I'm sorry,
delicious.
Mac sauce. It's great. It would go great on like a nice burger. I see it great on a burger. I promise.
Yeah, this is
On a
good.
burger,
This
that
is
would be
really
it.
good, but the garlic is garlicking. Now we're gonna try the vegan lemon dill pasta salad. Don't know, I love dill, but I don't like lemon. He likes lemon. I don't know if he likes dill.
lemon.
So you might like this more than I do. This is, I don't know if it will focus. It probably won't focus. That's what it looks like. So. Cheers. Pickle.
I actually like that.
So you like sour. It's
I love
sour.
I love that. Now, the dill.
Strong.
Yeah, the dill.
Maybe I need to mix it up. Let me try again.
It's there, but I love it. So I can see how you don't, if you don't like it. I love it.
I'm not a huge lemon fan. I think if you like lemon, that's for you. I'm not a fan. Like, actually, it's like making my mouth water. It's very lemony. He loves lemon. He loves tart.
I do love tart. That's good.
That's not my favorite, but it's not nasty. If you like lemon and dill, you will like that. I don't.
I agree.
Okay, so now we're gonna try the potato salad. So
I'm nervous about this one.
I'm gonna be nervous. Everything's been good so far.
Everything
so
has been good.
I don't expect this to be nasty.
I'm just not a pasta salad lover.
Potato
salad, sorry.
I know, he won't even eat my potato salad. I like it. Very mustardy.
That tastes really homemade.
Good. I think a pinch of salt. But
That tastes homemade. I like
yeah,
that.
I like that. She's from the south.
That feels comforting to me.
Yeah.
That's good. That's really good.
Yeah.
And
I think
again,
it's a little tart as well, but it's like the relish is pretty strong. She even put relish in here, whatever she put. It's good.
Oh, it's relish now.
Yeah, it's good.
As a person that is not a potato salad fan, I would eat that at the cookout.
Yeah.
That's good.
I think it could be a little more yellow, just because I think potato salad should have like, you should know there's mustard in there, but
Right.
I like it. It's good.
I like the relish.
For store-bought,
Yeah, I love the relish.
because Target stuff don't be hitting like that. No shade to Target.
No.
I don't be hitting. This is good. They're gonna be
I
like,
like that.
okay, now I've been looking at you the whole time.
I
Not the camera.
I'm struggling looking at the camera and looking over them, but
Because
Hey.
he's so handsome.
it is what it
Ain't
is.
that right? Is this our last? Is this our last one?
I think so.
Pasta
Yeah.
salad. Okay, this is the pasta salad. Two people that don't really like pasta salad right here, so take it with a grain of salt. Go ahead, baby. It's sweet. It's not bad actually. I don't like olives.
I can eat it. I'm just
olives?
not a pasta salad guy at all.
Well, this has olives. I don't like olives at all, but this is good. It's sweet.
And I like it. Not my favorite. I think that is the bottom of the totem pole for me right now.
Really? I actually
On the
like
right.
this. It's sweet.
You like the sweet?
I don't like the olives.
I don't like sweet. I'm sour all day.
This is really good. Better than this. I don't like this
See
lemon.
that?
I don't like the
This
lemon pasta.
tastes better to me. This is for me.
It's not like the best pasta salad I've had, but it's good. I
It
actually
is
like
good. It is good. I'm just not a sweet person. I am definitely a tangy person. So
Clearly, I like it. I keep
yeah,
eating
you
it.
keep eating it.
I like this.
I ain't got olives in it.
At first, I was like, because of the olives. But it's good.
This is it.
This was good. I think,
Overall, what would you rate it?
I was gonna say, I don't really like the aftertaste on this pasta salad. Yeah, I don't like the aftertaste on the pasta salad, but it's good. So that was our review for the Tabitha Brown collection. We're gonna wrap it up by rating it overall based on, for me, I'm gonna do it based on price and the overall taste of all of the products. and rating it from a vegan's perspective. How are you gonna rate it?
I'm going to rate it from the non-vegan perspective. I am a little biased on the tangy, so keep that in mind.
Okay, so for me, do you just want to give out the rating in 3, 2, 1?
Okay.
Let me think. Okay. 3, 2, 1, 8.
8.25.
I said an 8. I give it an 8. I think the price point was amazing. Everything I got was under $10, which is great. I think the flavors were amazing. I was not a huge fan of the aftertaste of the pasta salad. And what else did I say I didn't really care for? The lemon pasta salad, but everything else was amazing. And I didn't hate those either. I think the flavors were good. She definitely is from the South. And I would definitely buy it again, especially the cream cheeses. Yeah. So I give it an 8.
I gave it an 8.25. I loved everything. The only thing I kind of am not a fan again, pasta salad. It was too sweet. Everything was perfect if you add like just a little drop of salt. But for it to be store brand, for everyone's palate, I think that is the best thing that you can have right now.
Yeah, so this is the review. Thank you so much for watching. As always, subscribe, like, and share. I will be coming out with what I eat. You're distracting me. I will be coming out with what I eat in a week as a vegan very soon and doing weekly vlogs and updates. And if you would like to see more of Lance, let me know and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Peace out.